This is the torque to force converter calculator, which calculates the linear force produced when torque is applied at a specific radius. Let's look at the input fields. First, you'll enter your torque value in the field labeled Enter Torque Value. Above this, you can select your torque units from the drop-down menu, which offers Newton meters, pound feet, and pound inches. For this demonstration, I'm using Newton meters. Next, you'll input your measurement in the field labeled Enter Radius or Lead Value. The radius unit drop-down menu gives you meters, millimeters, inches, and feet as options. I'll use meters for this example. Now for our calculation, I'll enter 10 for the torque value and 10 for the radius or lead value. After clicking Calculate Linear Force, the calculator displays our results. The output shows linear force, F, equals 1/0 newtons, with the equivalent of 0.22 pound force in parentheses. This tells us that applying 10 Newton meters of torque at a 10-meter radius produces exactly 1 Newton of linear force. The dual unit display makes it easy to work in either metric or imperial systems. This calculator streamlines force analysis for mechanical design applications. Find the link in the description below.